camera don't have as big a zoom.
Oh, you almost got him. Not bad.
He'll get fast.
There's the guy laying down over there.
Hey, you gonna leave him alone for 5 minutes or not?
What?
I said, are you gonna leave him alone for 5 minutes or not?
No.
He likes it.
I bet he does. Hey! Yeah.
Better man is here. Oh, he's got a windshield.
I know it. Oh! Sorry.
Rich, look at Melissa's hat.
What the fuck is that?
What is that? A helmet? It's a mask.
That's the best one.
Is that a fucking helmet? It's a mask. Oh, but I wasn't allowed to.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good weekend.
Holy shit! You just fucking launched it.
We're running this fucking big track. They were.
Get her! She's having way too much fun.
I love it.
Squirt for moves.
It feels so great.
Oh!
We feel so great now.
Alright, you need to get her veins.
Can't get him up. Hey, you big bastard! Screw it, let's follow this button, Shauna.
First round, one time, coming at you. Watch for that yellow light, followed by then it's time to go.
Where the hell? He's not even on the track, I don't think.
He drives like you.
Now you got all money.
Holes are a little deep.
Yeah, bet. Swamp it?
I have no clue. It's just sitting there spitting and sputtering.
Hey, I know a shop where he can bring it.
Yeah. Place to go.
Nice helmet. On board. Hey, you want to trade tires? fucking Hondas, I'm
He's
telling you.
towing the other one though.
Oh, is he? He's giving her the bean. He's got one tire. One wheel appeal.
No CV.
Are you with him?
Yeah.
I wouldn't admit it.
You're right.
Are you riding now? Yeah, you asshole. Hey, he's going the wrong way. What's up? Holy cow, that look. Yo, slap bag. Where'd it come from? I think Mom's holding on for dear life.
You guys are cranking right next to the
I was trying.
Boy, these are getting tore up as shit.
Oh.
Whoa.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. Oh, I don't want to do that one.
That's kind of tricky right there.
No, I'll
Sometimes you're better off going this way.
I'll get off that.
Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Are you supposed to be pushing them? What in the hell is going on here?
Hey, definitely.
Oh, you can't. No. How's it going? Hey, dude, you can't handle this shit. You can't handle it. No, you can't. Good crowd watching. going? Hell yeah. You look lonely. You need brake pads by the sound of it. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
You need more coolers in the back. You're gonna run out.
We're just going to get some more, yeah.
Driving shot, and then you can record our dumbasses.
Where am I going? That way?
That way, and then we're gonna go to the swamp pond.
Swamp bog? Oh, here?
Oh, you got the white truck.
Oh, I got over it! How's it going?
I just dried off, Lil.
Yeah, it ain't that deep. Alright, that's not neat. Get out of here.
Alright,
fine.
yeah. It's like candy in a dish for trick or treat.
Going them that way?
Yeah.
And people that you don't know.
That was it.
I said it's all fun and games till somebody picks up the back.
Yeah.
That's an exploder!
Look at that! That was a grenade!
Like a shark.
That wasn't that deep.
Not going there, we're going that way.
We're gonna go through the deep one this way. Oh, you lost that battle.
What are we doing, Rich?
We're gonna throw it as far as we can.
over that white truck. We didn't make it over the white truck.
I think he's trying to hit the guy in the burger.
Yeah, you definitely got it.
It's gotta get at least on top of that hill, maybe up to this hill. Dude, this guy. Choops, you're a fucking muddy mess.
What is that? But she's got a
I didn't die yet.
Hey, you won't make it across there, I guarantee it. Hey, how's it going? Yo, Drunks play. Drunks at play. Oh, okay, got it. Hey! Uber?
That says Uber.
Booby bouncer. How you doing? You are not old enough. I want to see your driver's license. Jake's gonna break an axle and we gotta pull him home too.
You gotta pull him.
You can't jerk it. Nothing to it. How's it going in there? You look calm and cool. You're snorkeling. Get out there right now. Come on. You gotta snorkel the fucking size of the trees. What the fuck? Huh? I sell all those parts.
He needs it because he's going to South Butler. That may work.
I'll bring them. I'll come early with parts.
You got the greatest mind here. Just be funny. Just be funny about their machines. Look at you got something to say. Look at that.
Whoa! What the hell's on your stomach? What's up?
Are you shy?
Hey, this is a video for next year, okay? We're gonna compare